McKenna's first trip to the beach to actually go walk on the sand. Hopefully it's a success. She's currently sleeping.
Hey, look. Say hi to the people. Alright, so we are taking a little detour. We're going to Target and buy my baby. Milo is in the back. Well, that's Makena actually. Milo's on this side. So a couple things about Milo. Milo has been the most amazing dog for Makena. He's been the best brother right now. He's just watching his mom walking to Target. He's super protective now. And not protective in like an aggressive way, but just protective like he's always looking around. Always checking stuff out. He's a real stand-up dog. Oh, buddy. Oh, you love your little sister. Right now we just caught him checking up on her. Just kind of goes over, smells her, make sure she's okay. We are on the lookout for some probiotics. Because Makena, we think she might be a little colicky. What we got here?
Some more swaddles with these little secure hooks. Snug fit.
What's that do?
Well, just more swaddles because we only have that one. And supposedly it's really good.
Nice.
Some more diapers.
Need those.
I needed that, and then I got this one too.
Okay. Were these are the ones that were at the hospital?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll try these 2 different bottles. See what works.
Oh, cool.
Tommy Tippy and Dr. Brown reduces colic.
Ooh, good.
Helps preserve vitamins. That one also is supposed to help reduce colic. So
Nice.
hopefully that works. And we got some gripe water.
What's that?
Relieves occasional stomach discomfort from gas, colic, fussiness, hiccups. And then these are probiotic drops.
Didn't sleep too well last night. McKenna actually was crying from about 9 to 2, 3 in the morning. And then she started again from like 6 to 7, 6:30. So we're just trying to figure that out. Trying to figure out our schedules because, of course, we need to work. And Carrie needs to do stuff with me as well. So we're just trying to figure that out. Perfect example of the watcher. He is so tired because she keeps him up all night, but he'll sit and watch, taking care of her like a good brother. You're such a good boy, Milo. But right now, we're going to now head to the beach. He's trying this new bottle we got here with some probiotic in it. So hopefully that helps her if she's colicky.
Oh, Mama. Did I help you? She's looking up.
And Milo's wondering, hey, when are we gonna walk? You promised me a walk. Good going, buddy. So Carrie has to stay because she's feeding McKenna. But I'm taking Milo out. See, she's right there in the car. But I'm taking Milo out to get a little nice beach time here. How cute is this? Baby girl is ready for the cold weather. Got a bunny ear on, or what is this, little bear ear on? So cute. Some tummy time. Ooh, you getting some lift.
Good job,
Some
Mama.
lift. Oh.
Good job. Keep it up. You can do it. It's
Oh,
okay.
really good.
Good job. Yeah.